Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trim and cut videos in CapCut step by step. Trimming and cutting help you remove unwanted parts of your video and keep only the clips you need. So let's get started. First, open CapCut on your computer. Next, create a new project or open an existing one. Then, import your video and drag it to the timeline. To trim the video, click the clip on the timeline. Move your mouse to the beginning or end of the clip until the trim handle appears. Then click and drag the edge inward to remove the unwanted part. To cut the video, move the playhead to the point where you want to split the clip. Next, click the Split button on the toolbar or press Ctrl+B on your keyboard. The video will be divided into two separate clips. Now, select the clip you don't want. Then, press the Delete key on your keyboard. Your video has now been trimmed and cut successfully. And that's it. You've successfully trimmed and cut videos in CapCut. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.